What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to the bear markets. No, I'm just kidding. Good morning. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video. Maybe not that good of a joke because right now the markets are not ideal. They're pretty bearish. But we'll do a full update. It's a bit of an emergency update because I mean, in the end, in the last month or so, we have dropped down a total of right now 24%, which is a pretty significant drop. Do that 3 times more, or at least the same in terms of price, and you're at zero. So right, I wanted to talk about that. Today we have some pretty major news coming from the US in terms of economic news, but the main news obviously that we need to talk about is Mt. Gox repaying. All right, so they are beginning their repayments in Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, which probably was front ran a little bit. All right, so some people knew it earlier and they started to sell off. But yesterday we already knew. I mean, yesterday what we talked about is yesterday we were already bearish. We already saw a drop, whether that was the German government selling or not, who knows. But we saw a drop, and what we talked about yesterday is that, all right, well, to actually get bullish again and to maybe get some sort of a short squeeze or at least some liquidity hunting to the upside, what we said is that we needed a breakout above 58,500. And we never got that. All right, well, in the night we dropped down below 57,000, and that's where we are right now. We have found some temporary support right here at 53,700, which is the absolute top of this big support area we have right here, which is basically, I mean, if you zoom out, there's a ton of support right here at what is this? No, this is not drawn correctly, so let me fix that real quick. So there's major support right here at like 53,000, but then, I mean, there's also a lot of support right here at 51 and 50, and then there's even support at 48,000. So it's just a massive support we have right here. It's multiple smaller support levels, so keep that in mind. And we hit the top of that, but even from there, I mean, right now we're kind of shell shocked, right? I mean, we got major liquidations, which is very often that can be some sort of a bottom signal. Who knows? It's too early to say right now, right? Because what I mean is that we dropped down to that level, and since then, not much has happened. All right, so we have to wait for some sort of confirmation again. And at this point of time, with those Mt. Gox repayments, I'm not sure if the German government is doing anything right now. Yeah, they're also, well, they're sending Bitcoin here and there. Not to exchanges, but they are sending it to some probably some OTC wallets or something. So that's happening. And then if you look at Mt. Gox, I'm not sure if they transferred anything yet. Yeah, about 4 hours ago, they transferred $150 million into Bitbank, which who knows what that is. So selling pressure is to be expected, all right? And I would say right now the sentiment in crypto is very bearish. So I would say it's best to assume we're dropping down lower. All right. I would be surprised, like I will be like later today. I'll do a middle of the day market update. If anything happens, if I think we can get some sort of a short squeeze, all right, so something bullish, something like this or something, then I will let you know. But for now, I would say it's most likely we will drop down lower and do something like this into 53, 52, 51. Nah, more like 52.50. And then from there, I do expect some support. I don't think this will be a huge waterfall, even though we are turning more bearish here. But more bearish momentum I do expect. All right, so waterfall, no. More bearish momentum, yes. At some point of time, we'll do a short squeeze, but that's there's no indication of that right now. And then apart from that, today we have the unemployment rate and non-farm payrolls at 230 UTC plus 2. I'll keep you updated on that in my middle of the day market update, so don't worry too much about that yet, but that's going to cause a lot of volatility. So just know that around that point of time, it's probably best in general today to not trade at all. But for now, this is what I expect. I'll keep you updated on that. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, have a great day. Try to have a great day. Maybe look away from the charts for a bit. And I'll see you all in my next videos. Bye.